Okay, guys, today we're talking about cartwheels on ice. Here's some tips that help me out a lot. First thing is warm up. Your usual stretching routine, your usual cardio routine. I do a little bit of both. I also stretch out my wrists a lot because you may find that practicing these cartwheels, if you haven't done them in a while, you will get sore up through the arms. So after your stretching, after your warm up, you're going to want to practice the cartwheel. Don't take it to the ice yet. Practice it on the ground or off ice. Look for a space where you can have a line, a straight line, or else visualize a line, because the most important thing in doing this cartwheel is to go in a straight line and kick your legs directly over your head, like so. Try and keep it on the line as much as possible. Next thing you want to do is actually put your skates on with your guards and practice it with your skates off ice. So take a look at that first. Again, kicking directly over your head, try and find a straight line to do the cartwheel on. If you don't kick directly over your head, your hands could slip out from under you. So imagine a rainbow, okay? That's going to be your kick line directly over the rainbow. Finally, you're ready to take it to the ice. Once you get to the ice, if you need a little bit more confidence and you might want to throw on some extra pads, I did when I was starting to learn this trick. I would throw on my knee pads, elbow, I'd wear my padded butt shorts, and also my little protective headband. So that has helped give me the confidence when taking it off ice to on ice. These tips have been helpful for you. Reach out if you have any other questions.